Here is a 2014 Case IH 1255 24 row 30 planter coming up on auction. Just had a rebuild on it before the 2023 season. I'll show you the measurements here. Disc openers measure about 13.7/8. Brand new is 14, so not much wear. Closing disc are about 7.25 to 7.5. It's got Sunco residue managers on them. Pin style adjust. This is a one owner planter. So brand new here, always been shedded. Frogs and shoes are good. Pneumatic down pressure. Does have row shut off on it, Pro 700 monitor. Does have a PTO pump as well. I'll do another video of a full walk around.